you can hear my heartbeat, you can hear everything. If you can feel the shattered rhythm, then you felt my echo too. If you can touch this silent ache, you will know my heart speaks louder than words ever could. How much I love you, I cannot say. It lives in the night, it hides in the day.
I cried in shadows where no one sees, your name like it echoes inside of me.
Do you feel this empty space? Baby, I still see your face. If you can hear my heartbeat, you will know. Through every storm, wherever I go, all kings will fall, all power will end. Love is all I need, love is all I want.
If you can hear my heartbeat,
You know, love is the last thing we can't let go. I see your face inside the rain, I feel your touch inside my pain. Your smile breaks my darkest night,
but your silence pulls me out of light, far away.
still my heart returns to you, no matter what I try to do. If you can hear my heartbeat, you will know. Through fire and shadows, I never let go. All worlds may break, all empires fall. Power is nothing, love is all. Love is all. No crown can save a broken heart, no throne can make the broken whole. No gold can heal a wounded mind, no power can restore what's gone. Ashes, ashes, power turns to dust.
Only love
Remains with us. I walked through halls of fear and pride, but every room was empty inside. I saw the strength of kings and men, but none could hold my heart like then. What is power without your name? What is victory without you? If you can hear my heartbeat, you will know. There's nowhere in this world I won't go. Let kingdoms burn, let the sky fall. Power is nothing, love is all. Power is nothing, love is all. Power is nothing. If you can hear my heartbeat, you will know. Even in silence, I never let go. All things will fade, all things will fall. Thoibi, I still love you.
power is nothing.
Love is all. Thoibi, I still love you.
Power is nothing.
Love is all.